shit. That didn't work well. Not in there. Oh no, I still want to go. Got 6 out for sure.
Get another one.
Where's the dog at, anyway?
Okay.
You're doing dishes today, are you?
No, just this morning. Just breakfast dishes.
Only breakfast?
That's it. Yeah. I'll eat peanut butter sandwiches for supper, one knife.
Okay, then this afternoon I'm buying paper plate.
Yeah.
It is plum day.
Plum day for Mrs. Day. Look, the camera and smile. Mom's not on.
I don't want to smile.
Give us that Colgate smile.
I might break it.
Is that because it's your birthday?
Yeah, it's my birthday. 27 today.
27?
27 years young.
Well, zoom in on you so I can picture the emotion on your face.
Wouldn't be too emotional.
Well, thank you, Mom and Dad. I appreciate the gift. It's very nice.
Now open it. So, did you open it?
I just read it.
No, but the gift.
Oh, no, that's from my sister.
Oh.
And I was told what it is, so now I don't have to open it until I go home.
Okay.
You can open it.
A little smile this time, though. I look a little happier.
Yes.
John, give me that.
Bug.
Hey, cookie dog.
Bug. See him? Bug.
Hey, Bug. Hey, puppy. Hey, Michael.
Hey. Hi. Captain.
Rise the visor, build the boat. Rise the visor, sailor.
Yes, I was. I'm letting it go.
Michael? Was that you again? Yeah, I guess he was letting out of sheets there. CSY 40, is it?
Yep.
Oh.
I take a header.
No, perfect for this job. This way I'll never get by you anyway. Starboard tack!
Funny guy.
Yeah. Probably looks the same. It's a wide shot. Yeah. What? Submarine, but only for a certain period of time to look at it. That's what I'm trying to show you.
On night you can't find your groove here or something.
It's going light on. Cranks are up there with go fast. You don't need them up there.
Well,
Well, some though. That's crazy.
I do. I didn't see anything.
I don't know. It's the books I read from the top notch said it.
That's not survived it.
How about supper? We get the steaks?
Definitely steaks for supper.
Steaks for supper?
Take some potato salad.
No.
Who's gonna make a potato salad?
Oh, I will.
Will you? You can make
Sure.
potato salad?
Mom showed me how.
Oh,
Years ago.
really?
But it never
I thought
turns
we
out.
were going to have mushrooms and onions and potatoes on the barbecue.
Sounds
Well,
good.
that's good too.
Yeah.
What about the fish? I thought we were gonna have salmon.
Oh, salmon would be nice.
Well,
If you
what-
catch
Can we
some
have
for
all
me.
this on, spread it over a couple of nights? I mean, this is all at the same meal as all this.
Right. Well, we could have the salmon for breakfast, couldn't we?
Yes, we could. Jeez, I'd go for that.
We gotta get some Miramichi salmon by.
Well, why don't we
There's
try and
some
catch some
Cape
free
Breton.
fish?
Okay, we gotta get a cod jig.
We're going to go tonight, later this afternoon in St. Peter's. We're going up to the village grocery store, and then we're also going to go to the hardware store to get a cod jig.
It's kind of neat how your hair is kind of sticking out this little hole right there. Well, I thought it was a fly, you know, with a hook on it there.
Just a second.
Fishing fly, yeah.
Yeah.
I think he's got a
Thanks,
sleeping
guys.
bag. You better wake it up.
One of his fishing lures.
Thanks, guys.
It's a marlin spike here, because this looks like, is this a real reef knot that you've got here?
No, it's just a knot.
Oh, it won't come undone anyway.
Yeah. Put a knot in it, and we did it. And we got doctored
Tell
up
them to get
breaking it.
knotted.
Yes.
It's just
we
some
right?
naughty
Get
bites.
knotted.
Okay. Hey, didn't it work? And we got tied without breaking us.
It worked, yes, with my knot.
So you
What
did
knot
it.
did you tie?
That's the point I'm trying to get across. I
is it?
don't know what kind of
Oh, you just invented it at the moment.
And any old thing. I mean, you couldn't think. You just had to do it. And
Yeah.
lastly, what help the hell it stayed.
Yeah.
I'm not on that.
Is that your Nova Scotia ashtray?
Yes, it is. Yeah, well, the wind's going
Well,
that
yeah,
way.
well, fuck, just walk over and throw it. That's twice you did it.
I heard
Great.
that
I
language.
don't-
Me with my mother's picture in my pocket.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Two Hail Marys. Hail Mary, Hail Mary. Remember what Harvey told us? What's the preacher give for a blowjob? Remember that? There's
Some
a,
people may be listening to this. This is not a good joke.
Go ahead. Tell us
Um,
about the preacher and the blowjob.
there's a preacher in training, whatever you call him. I don't know. He's in the church, and this fella comes in to the confessional, and he sits down, and this preacher in training can't find the priest. Says, well, since I'm training, I'll go in and I'll hear the guy's confession. So he goes in, he sits down, and he says, so and so, whatever, and the guy starts confessing. He says, Father, I've sinned and I've looked at a man nakedly. And he said, oh, staring at a naked man. 2 Hail Marys and 1 whatever. I'm not really up on this terminology. So he says, okay, but how did it go? Shit.
I can't remember either.
Go for it, John.
I looked, but there's more. Not only did I look at the
I'm
naked
going
man, but
to
I
go
looked
down
at
and
his
look at the
private
chart.
parts. They said, oh, looking at the private parts of a naked man, he gets up to the list, and that's 4 Hail Marys and 2 Hallelujahs or something. So I said, okay, is there anything else? Well, yes, Father. I sucked on his private parts. He said, oh, blowjob. I went down the list, and there's nothing there for a blowjob. He doesn't know what to give for a blowjob. So at the time, he steps out to find the preacher, and he sees an altar boy going by, and he says, altar boy, what's the father usually give for a blowjob? And the altar boy says, oh, usually a pop and a bag of chips.
I thought it was $2.
$2, well, you know, it could have been $3. I mean, that's a Harvey joke.
Harvey Anderson.
Yeah.
I can't imagine.
Can't
Harvey
imagine.
saying that.
Remember the one about the golf clubs?
Who's Harvey Anderson?
Harvey Anderson works for Alan Control.
Oh. Will he be
So-
watching this?
Could be.
He might be.
Will he be
yes.
embarrassed because you heard his blowjob joke?
No.
No?
He'll think it's great.
I don't know.
Okay.
What was the one about the man who shipwrecked on the island, and
I told John that one.
the man,
I
and
see
then
a
the
ship.
lady comes out with
Oh.
her diving suit on?
No.
Okay, well, there's this guy shipwrecked on the island, and a female scuba diver comes out, and she gets washed ashore. And he comes running over, oh my God, a woman, someone to talk to. I've been here for 20 years, blah, blah, blah. And she said, geez, 20 years? He said, how would you like to have a smoke? I bet you haven't had a cigarette in a long time. Geez, a cigarette would be just great. So she down with the zipper and out with a cigarette. Then he's smoking away. And, how would you like to have a beer? I bet you haven't had a drink in a long time. So down with the zipper, out with a bottle of beer. She says, geez, I bet you it's been a long time since you fooled around. Or no, played around, I'm sorry. It's been a long time since you played around. How would you like to play around? And Buddy said, geez, you got golf clubs in there too? That's another Harvey joke. Harvey tells him a lot better.
146 feet in here, my God.
Lots of water.
You should have got a shot when I was up to 6 or 7.
Well, we'll get an opportunity to do that again, won't we?
Well, I hope so.
Doug Stone, oh, but look at those rotten sneakers lying here.
Swab that deck.
Look at the crap.
Why do we wait till tonight when we do his garden hose?
No? Well, I just want to get a little of the shit off. Broom.
Don't have broom, right? Wet broom, running down your hands and knees.
No.
Wind speed has
3.1.
increased.
Yeah. You want to listen to rumble, rumble, rumble?
No.
Okay, that's it.
Shut up, then.
We can put the main up, eh? And crank the fan around. You want us to put it up, get more speed out of it? We're not going to get much more, maybe than that.
And go, Beulah!
Beulah!
Let not.
Looks like a beer.
Not in here, that's there.
Probably in
Montague.
Montague.
Beautiful day.
And then St. Peter's on the other side.
We have 50 miles.
Then we have to go through the locks again at St. Peter's.
And then we're into.
The
Oh,
door.
I figure, yeah. 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, get into.
Really, that late? I thought it was going to be dinner time. Or lunchtime.
Well, we didn't quite get away. No time here. It was probably. I didn't mark the time away. Well, we